Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 smart vacuum cleaner. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, a beer robot vacuum cleaner. Specifications. Brand name, a beer. Function, wet and dry. Power, W, 25 watts. Voltage, V, 14.8 volts. Dust box capacity, L, 0.6 to 1 liter. Remote control, yes. Size 330 by 330 by 76. Electric water tank, 360 milliliters. Max suction, 6000 Pa. Dustbin, 600 milliliters. Working time, 120 minutes. Warranty, 36 months. The item number 2 is aliexpress C30B. Specifications. Brand name, aliexpress. Function, wet and dry. Power, W, and 500 watts. Voltage, V, 14.4 volts. Remote control, yes. Dust storage type, dust box. Battery life, 1 hour and 40 minutes. Size 330 by 330 by 74 Cord length, M. Wireless. Strong suction power, 6000 Pa. Filters, HEPA Plus primary. Battery capacity, 2500 mAh lithium ion. Dustbin, 600 milliliters. Brushless motor, yes. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, aliexpress ZK901. Specifications. Brand name, aliexpress. Function, wet and dry. Power, W, 40 watts. Voltage, V, 14.4 volts. Dust box capacity, L, 0.6 to 1 liter. Dust storage type, dust box. Battery life, 2 hours. Size 346 by 340 by 99 Cord length, M. Wireless. Battery capacity, 5000 mAh. Water tank capacity, 450 milliliters. Save map, yes. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.